Don't let the world tell you your own worth. Your destiny was decided from your birth. It's time for the world to see the fire burning inside of me. I'll not let my beauty be judged by society. 'Cause I am the face of Mumbai. I am the face of Mumbai. I will soar and I will touch the sky. 'Cause I am the face of Mumbai. It's time to wake up and see the goddess
So
within.
Jayalakshmi, our season 5 first runner-up in Mrs. category is here with some of her dear friends, and we are going to ask them a few questions. So ma'am, I'll start with you. How was it when Jaya first shared the news that she got selected as a finalist?
Yeah, so we were very happy actually, and somewhere I was confident that she would be a finalist, and now she's gone on to be a runner-up, and we are very happy for that.
So as a friend, what kind of support was there? What did you tell her that she must have been calling you and telling you, will I win, will I not win? So how was it?
So yeah, she actually called me. She used to speak to me, and as in we are always in two minds while we do something. But then I had that confidence. Even she had the confidence, and it is all her sheer dedication and that confidence that took her to the final stage, and she's a runner-up.
Sir, so coming to you, how was it seeing this Jaya's journey? Do you see any changes in her?
Definitely. I think almost a year we met, right? So right from the day one, when we meet, firstly Jaya is my friend.
Okay.
So we meet for on the school daycare.
Okay.
So the confidence now she's whatever she's having, that confidence definitely is coming from this day.
Okay.
And the changes we really see now, and we definitely support her to encourage to go further if she's going to participate, or she's want to any help from our as a friend or as a family friend. So we will definitely support her.
So we are back with few more of Jaya's, our season 5 winners friends. So ma'am, first of all I'll ask you share a few things about Jaya. What do you think about Jaya?
She's a very nice dancer too.
Okay.
We know that. She's very talented.
So today we have Face of Mumbai season 5 first runner-up Mrs. Jayalakshmi with her husband Mr. Srinivas. So Mr. Srinivas, I'll ask the first question. I'll shoot the first question at you. Please tell me, how was this whole entire journey? How from your perspective?
Yeah, so first time when she told me about this event, I was like so thrilled and excited because this is the first time like in our family is doing this kind of thing, and she's participating in such a big event. So we were all thrilled. In fact, my son was also so excited. So and then from starting onwards, I know that she already got this because I believed in her talent, and I know she's very good at all these things. And you know how she rocked the stage and she earned the crown. So it was like we are feeling very happy. I'm so glad that she got through this.
So during her journey, during the grooming sessions, was it ever a time where she felt she can't do it, and how did you support her during those times?
Yes, so throughout the journey, there were so many ups and downs, and initially she was so excited, and some days she was so she used to come with a lot of stories like this happened today, that happened, somebody else got some this thing and recognition and all these things. But at sometimes she was a little bit low. That time I told her like this is not the end. There is like always there's a big thing. It's coming up, and she should not be always low. That's where we have spent so many nights practicing and all these things. So I was always there throughout this journey. I thought like this is the time when she need my support a lot. So I took some days off from my office, and I used to dedicate some extra time handling my son and at the same time supporting her. Yes, and of course cooking and all. So that's how I supported her.